Luke, talk us through what you've been doing and what you'll be doing tomorrow.
Well, as you said, this is one of the world's first fully virtual CICO sessions. It's new to us and it's new to all of us from Monash. We usually just do face-to-face teaching for CICO, but this is the first time we've ever needed audio-visual setups and cameras and mail-outs of equipment and that sort of thing. It's something that ANZCA's always done at its conference every year, but obviously following the pandemic, this is the first time they've ever had to do it completely virtually.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so it's a learning curve, but we're getting there.
So these kits have been sent out to how many people are taking the workshop tomorrow?
I think there's 48 participants tomorrow, and we mailed out our trainers and equipment and also emergency CICO rescue kits to all of them, and they've been received and they're ready to go for the participants in the morning and in the afternoon sessions. We've got a lot of layout here so we can get live camera shots of the front and from above, and talk the participants through the actual CICO scenarios and drills, and they can practice as many times as they like. And then after I've demonstrated the basic techniques for CICO, then we have a breakout session. So then we've got some facilitators who work with me as well, and we'll break up to smaller groups, participant ratios of 1 to 4.
Okay.
And then those facilitators can closely watch the participants from what they've learnt and practice their drills and repeat them over and over and get some good muscle memory and
excellent.
Improve their CICO skills.
Yeah, I hope it never has to happen, but I guess if they...
Yep, hopefully not, but if they do need to use those skills, then they've got a good start.
Yeah, fantastic. It's amazing what we can do.
Yeah, definitely.
When we need to.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for that.
No worries.